What is up, guys? Today we have another unboxing for you all. Drop by the website www.aperture.com for your specialty craft roast coffee right here. What we're doing is an unboxing. A very special thing here. Boom. Wow, look at this thing. This thing is just so messed up. Wow. 2-year warranty on this Nikkor lens right here. That's right, guys. What do we got here? This, my friends, is a 50mm. Okay, 50mm f1.8. Give me what's good on that. This lens right here, $135 on Amazon. You can pick these up right now. These are totally going dirt cheap now for whatever you want to do, man. They still work great. If you know how to use a camera, you know you can get some mileage out of this for 135 bucks, right? So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Let's see what we got here. All right. Ooh. I'm excited. Oh gosh. Let's see this bad boy. Okay, so we obviously got the manual right here. Who needs that? I need it. And there we go. Autofocus, Nikkor 50mm f1.8. I would say it competes with the 85. If you have an 85, this lens will definitely do something similar. Maybe not as tight, but it'll definitely do it. All right, here we go. There it is. Ooh, let's look at this bad boy. I'm excited. Wow, look at this thing. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at that bad boy. Let's see if we can do it. There it is. $50mm 1.8 Nikkor lens right here. Autofocus. Oh man, I can't wait to use this thing. This lens right here is pretty similar to your kit lens. If you bought a DSLR, you bought a Nikon D3200, D3500, it comes with a 15 to 55, I believe. I think it's a 15 to 55 millimeter lens. That's a good kit lens. This right here is a little bit more for somebody who wants to take their photography skills to the next level. Say you just started and you got a kit lens. I recommend getting this 50, okay? And then doing a lot of cool portrait stuff with this. Do some close-up shots, do some product photography, do some food photography with this lens. It's a prime lens, meaning that you cannot zoom in. You can't zoom, there's no variable zoom on this. But it is autofocus, okay? So you can get nice crispy lens, you get nice crispy images with this. Yeah, that's it right there, guys. Once again, guys, Average Fellas Podcast, www.averagefellas.com. Drop by the website where you can see podcasts and web solutions. So.